when a client isn't even aware of a security gap, obviously your team are highlighting them and raising that awareness to them about the gaps in their
Mhm.
software. If you do get pushback, and you say you don't very often, if you do get pushback from a client about the need for security gaps to be closed, to be fixed, what's your process for getting their buy-in to fix that? Because it's obviously it's always going to come down to additional cost and additional spend, and they're going to come in and wanting these quick agile projects, and you guys are talking about cybersecurity issues now and flaws in their code. What is your process? Is that part of your role, or is it part of your technical team? Who's getting that buy-in from the customer?
I think once we have a customer and we have a technical team involved, and we point out things. Now, I don't think I've ever had a customer just push back and say, no, they don't want to deal with security, but I have had people push back and say it's a lower priority for right now and push it back, so that let's do that next quarter. Let's do that next 6 months from now. And usually that's because they're not going to launch the product to a wide audience. It's going to be kept really in a closed loop, a very small number of users. And so it's a lower priority, but it's our job to track it and to make sure that it gets folded in, because our whole claim to fame is being able to produce commercial grade software. So commercial grade software means it's scalable. And it doesn't matter how many users you have. If you're going to go from 100 users to 100 million, you got to be able to scale that. You've got to be able to, it has to look good. It has to perform. So it has to perform at a commercial level at the speed, and it's got to be secure. Right. And so for it to reach that commercial grade level, all of those things have to be in place.